And one day, I have my friend, this is a story. This is how I evangelize my friend. His name is Babu. One day, he came to me. I said, what's your name? If you speak English to them fluently, they would not get you. Si Isay, she was to work with me. They have Bangladesh there, no? What's your name? Just looking at me. So I was thinking in my mind, maybe I cannot get. How much more if I get my native tongue? I use it. What's your name? Can I know who you are? Most probably, he won't get me. So I said, I use his mother tongue. So I asked him. I said, what wanting you? And immediately, he understood me. Oh, what wanting you? Bye, what wanting you? Oh, bye. I want chicken. Oh, you want chicken? Oh, how many? He's still looking at me. He said, how many? He said, he said, he cannot explain himself. He just only said, you, Filipina, Philippine, good, number one. Sadik, sadik. He was asking something. And then it came to my mind that I had to share the gospel. I said, he said, all Philippine, you only, you. Because I used to bring their food, I pitied them because their salaries only, that time, was only 40 dinar. And they're working, they have to pay their food, and they're waiting for me to bring food. I'm working from catering. And I used to bring full bag of chicken curry. Wow. Everything that exists in the night. I used to bring bundles of food. Please, I know states. And I used to bring sandwich, and she used to take sandwich. He said, you have your breakfast? No, yet, Kuya. You take 2 sandwich for me. And every day I used to bring. I said, I said, you good man. You good man. Me? Yes, you good man. I said, I'm Christian. Yeah, anak Christian. I don't know how to speak Arabic. Yeah. I said, Isa loves you. Isa? Yeah, Isa. Bible? You know Bible? Isa. Jesus loves you. Jesus loves you. You understand? I want chicken. I said, Jesus loves you. I want chicken. I said, bye. Babu, you understand? What do you understand I'm telling you? You understanding me? Understand. Jesus loves you. I'm Christian. Christian loves Jesus. Jesus loves you too. Same you loves you. I want chicken. Okay. I said, okay, enough. You want to take your chicken and cook something else there. Wow. But sometimes it's so funny. You want to share the gospel, but the main problem with us is the language barrier. But the only thing that I can say is show love to them. I care for them. I share to them not because I want to humiliate. No, that's the truth. And sometimes they come to me and hug me and kiss me best. Okay. How are you? I'm good. You good also, same me. I like it. Yeah, I like their English, What they mean you? My name, me, versi you, Babu. Okay. Very good, you. Jesus loving you. I said, Jesus loving you. Me loving Jesus, yes, I want chicken. Number 2, let's go and connect. Let's invite people. Yeah. Let's evangelize people. Bring one souls. Okay? Yeah. If you can bring one soul every Sunday, every day. Okay? Jesus is compelling us to bring. Let's go and connect. The word hing. Alam niyo yung hing? Hindi hingi This is not, the word hing? In Colossians chapter 4 verse 7, Tychicus, he is a he, a beloved brother, faithful minister, and fellow servant in the Lord, will tell you all the news about me. Okay? Be the he of the gospel. Anyway, I would just want to ask you something. What is the first, nalagpasan ko po yung sa outline. What is the first two letters of the gospel? No understanding me? No understanding me? Go. Gospel. So Jesus, well, I was so amazed when I was thinking this, the Lord used the word gospel, and when I said, what is the first two letters of the word gospel? It says go. Do you want to go? You going? You going, taking people for Jesus? It's better, I think it's better to speak like this. You going there, you bring people to Jesus, Jesus make happy for you. Okay? Much easier to understand. Because, oh Lord, become so funny. Okay? Be the he of the gospel. You know what is he? Ito po yung bisagra. It's so important that we must be the he of the gospel. You understand bisagra? You understand? We have this point with bisagra. This is so important for us. The he is... Mabihin akong... Wala ka bisagra dito. I am amazed with this church.
Dalas pinto.
Bunutin nga yung pinto. Take out that, bring that one. So that they can understand. You don't know? The sister doesn't understand what is he. Hing. Ano tawag? Hangs. Oh. Okay, may kasunod po dyan para makita po nila. May kasunod po dyan. Hindi. Okay. So you can understand. Bisagra po. Join that whole two parts together so that one can swing relative to the other. Where are you in that position? You are the hing. Ano pronounce mo? Hings? Hings. I'm sorry, okay, I'll use my native words. This is hings. So, okay, you got me. Okay, hings, you are in the middle. That's why, so that you can swing left and right. So that the door will open. We use this in the door so that it connects to the other. Are you with me? What a good illustration. You see, we have to be the hing of the gospel. We have to be in the middle of the gospel. You know, in Luke chapter 14, verse 17, and sent his servant, ano yan?